Hi everyone, today we're going to make some egg roast or egg curry. Take a pan and we're going to add some boiling water and we're going to boil 4 eggs. If you want more eggs, you can add so, but for time being, I'm only adding 4 eggs. And close the lid and let that boil. So now heat up a pan, add 2 chopped onions, 2 chillis, and we're gonna stir that real quick. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt just to quicken the process. So if you've seen my other videos, I do this all the time. This makes my life so much easier. Now we're going to add 2 cubes of ginger and garlic paste. This time I'm just adding it straight from frozen. Usually I microwave it for like 30 seconds and put it into the onions. Mix that really well. When it's brown, add 2 chopped tomatoes. Mix that well into the onions as well. When that's a little bit cooked, we're going to add our spices. So I'm gonna add 2 spoons of kashmiri chilli. So this is chili with no spice, just the color. Add half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of chili. If you don't want that much spice, you don't have to add the last chili. Mix that really well. And that's nearly our gravy done. And let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes in medium to low heat. Mix this really well. Now I'm going to add some water, but if you don't want water or don't want like watery consistency, you don't have to add it. You can just leave that masala as it is, the gravy. So I'm gonna add some water because I like a little bit more watery in my gravy. Now all you have to do is add some eggs. So we're going to peel the 4 eggs that we cooked before in the boiling water and just put it straight into the gravy what we just made. And that's it guys, it's done. The egg curry is done. But make sure you put this in low heat now for 5 minutes so all the masalas would get into the egg. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel as well. I hope you give this a try and let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.